What's up, YouTube? Giants269 coming back at you with another box break. Went to my local hobby shop today. They had a good deal on these 2009 Upper Deck Signature Stars. So I know there's some decent players in here, so I decided to give it a shot. I have a day off today, so I'm staying home. Gonna open some packs. Later on tonight, I'm flying over to Vegas for the weekend. And I will break this live in Vegas. Got another box of absolute memorabilia. So look for that video to be posted sometime this weekend. I'll be in Vegas. Hopefully this box will bring me some Vegas mojo. There's the number on the box. It's number 89. So wish me luck. Haven't had any decent pulls out of this box, so looking for that. So let's go ahead and break this box of Signature Stars. First time breaking this product. It's supposed to be 4 hits, I believe, in here. 4 hits. They actually put, I was reading the box, they actually put some UD Black cards in here. So that'd be kind of cool. But those are like case hits. How many packs are in here? I don't even know. Oh, 20 packs. So a lot of cards to go through. Try to make this fast so we don't keep it under the 10-minute limit. Base. What is this? It's like perforated. I thought it was some card. Signature Stars, Adam Dunn, not numbered, all base. Hoping to hit a decent auto out of this stuff. USA, Nick Castellanos, another filler card, Cole Hamels. Decent looking cards though. I don't know why these don't sell. And there's my first hit. It's 6 out of 9. Whoa, look at that patch of Jeff Karstens, Team USA. Haven't heard of him. Nice looking patch though. It's numbered 6 out of 8. How come it's not in focus? Weird. Can't get into focus, but trust me guys, 6 out of 8, not bad. Pretty nice hit. Too bad it's not auto. Another filler, Pablo Sandoval, Pudge. That was a decent start. By the letter patch. Well, here's our second hit. It is a jersey card of Sean Coyle, USA Prospects, 18 and under USA team. This one is not numbered. Okay. Wow, look at that. My third hit. Hopefully I hit a hot box or something. Asher, I'm not even going to try to pronounce that name. Warchowski or whatever. Jersey card, not numbered. Game used jersey. Already got 3 hits. Haven't even hit an auto yet. Looking for an auto. Hopefully it's a hot box maybe. Hopefully my last hit is an auto. Brett Cecil, top prospect. Channing Wong. Actually looking for that Bryce Harper. I know Bryce Harper has an auto in here. Here's my auto. Connor Mason. It's numbered at a 399. Yeah, you guys can see that. Connor Mason jersey auto. Not bad. Pretty good looking card. Only gone through about half the box and already got my 4 hits. Hopefully that's not it. Hopefully I get something more. Brett Anderson. USA of Sean Coyle again. I haven't gotten a regular Bryce Harper card. Jason Varitek, another filler. Okay. Come on, one more hit. What is that? Ladson Montgomery. Oh, we got a 5th hit of Alberto Gonzalez for the Nationals. Haven't heard of him. Sweet card though. Nice auto. Cool. So we got more. We got more of the hits that was advertised. Got 5 hits so far. It's pretty nice. Not bad for this box. Got about 6 packs left. Hopefully we can hit one more. Looking for that Bryce Harper, Matt Newman. Last 4 packs, guys. Got plenty of time, I think. Got 2 minutes, more than 2 minutes. Come on, one more hit. Let's make it an even 6 hits out of this box. Look at this. Trophy winner is Miguel Cabrera. Insert. Okay. Whatever. Oh no, actually I have 3 more packs left. There's a pack hidden in there that I didn't see. Okay. Filler. I haven't seen any Upper Deck black cards here yet. Another filler. Alex Avila. Top prospect. Last pack. Oh, that pack ripped open real easy. Team USA of Tony Zyke. Filler. Alright, that's the box, guys. It was advertised 4 hits per box. I actually got 5, so pretty happy about that. Got this nice the letters patch card, numbered to only 8, but it's of Jeff Karstens. Not sure who he is. A jersey card of Asher Wachowski. Another jersey card of Sean Coyle, Team USA. These are not numbered. And then I got this jersey auto of Connor Mason. That one's numbered at $3.99. And my final auto is of Alberto Gonzalez. Nice auto there. So 5 hits out of that box. Upper Deck Signature Stars. Found some great deals at my local shop for this stuff. So look out for that. Look out for my next vid. Absolute memorabilia. Giants269. I'm out. See you guys in Vegas.